Bee eaters, bee eaters. What beautiful birds they are. Actually, I've already made a video with the bee eaters, but every year is different. Like, it's different the place where they make nests. Anyway, these nice and multicolored birds are found in Africa and Asia, where usually they live normally, but for the breeding season they prefer to move up the South Europe, and sometimes even North Europe, as a Norwegian YouTuber, Knut, has shown in its channel. Anyway, as every year in late spring, I'm always excited because of them. They are so funny and interesting to see and photograph, but I'm looking forward to see them. You know, they make nests usually in sand and soft terrains, where they dig long holes, even 3 meters long, and they lay up to 8 eggs. So knowing which kind of terrain they like, and knowing what to look for, I mean holes on the ground, you can find them. But the easiest way to find them is hearing their voices. For me they are fantastic, and I'm never tired to listen to them. Actually, this time I was worried a lot, because I saw them in some fields, but they were only few. But after some days of scouting, finally I found a biggest colony, even though the first photo shoot has been much more interesting and exciting, and not only for the bee eaters. Good morning guys, welcome back in another video. I think I've chosen the worst day. Yes, because it's raining. Okay, actually, now it's not raining, but it was raining all night. Anyway, I'm here for the bee eaters. Maybe you saw my last short video on the channel with some bee eaters on the electric cable, but I hope to get them in this field. Can you hear? The bee eaters. It's on the perch. Wow, fantastic. Amazing, amazing. He looks gorgeous. Yes. And now I hope they meet. So two in the same perch. Yeah. Have a look, have a look. a while that nothing happens. No bee eaters, no raw deers. Okay, I'm happy for the result of today, but now it's too quiet. I think these fields are not suited for making nests by the bee eaters. I think the main group of bee eaters are living in another spot, not over here. Even because there are only 4 bee eaters, only a few. Usually there are much more. Maybe later I'm gonna check out another spot. Okay guys, as I said, now I'm gonna scouting a little because because I want to check out this area where I remember there were the bee eaters. When I was coming here, there were 2 raw deers, but unfortunately they scared when they saw my car. Have a look, these footprints. These are footprints of the raw deer. No, actually, it's like a fox. Maybe it's a fox. Yes. Oh, interesting. Really interesting. They look footprints of a fox. Okay. This one should be a footprint. Footprint of a raw deer. I think it's quite small, actually. So, I'm not really sure. I have to check out my chart. Okay, the lens is wet. Yes, despite the small umbrella. Yes, 8 bee eaters. It's much more normal than before. Maybe this is the same group of the 2 bee eaters that I photographed before. I don't know because they are over here. Maybe this spot is better for making nests. But in the past few years, we made nest in another spot. It's also true that now that spot is quite unusable because bee people are making some cultivation, I think, because they are flattening the ground, cleaning from stones and stuff like that. So I think they'll use for something else. Anyway, I have to understand if this spot where I'm now is suitable for making nest. Actually, yes, because this ground is a sandy ground. But I don't know. I think I'll have to come here again. Until now, I want to thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed watching it. And tell me what you think. If you want to give me some suggestion, or if you want to ask me some specific video, I'll be really glad to make it. Thanks again. See you next time. Oh, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Yes, because it's free. And you can consider to give me a like. Why not? Anyway, jokes apart. Thanks for watching. See you next time.